In the language of the Malay people, Ylang Ylang means flower of flowers. Its wonderful flowery aroma makes it perfect for romance blends. Ylang Ylang is also known to be an aphrodisiac. It can help enhance your mood and reduce worry. It is very calming and relaxing to the mind. Used topically, Ylang Ylang can help retain moisture in the skin and hair. Ylang Ylang has many uses, but here are my top 3 uses. 1. I like to use Ylang Ylang by adding 1 drop to my aromatherapy necklace to help lift my mood and give me a sense of calm. 2. I use Ylang Ylang diluted to 0.25% in my favorite facial cleanser. This helps reduce oiliness. And 3, I like to use Ylang Ylang in a DIY perfume. The sweet floral scent smells incredible. Here is an easy DIY perfume recipe for you to try. For this, you will need a 1-ounce tin or jar, 4 teaspoons of beeswax pearls, 4 teaspoons of almond oil, and patchouli, sandalwood Australian, Ylang Ylang Complete, and rose absolute. First, melt the beeswax pearls in a double boiler. We have some beeswax we started melting here. Then, add the almond oil, and mix it together. And then we're going to take it off of the heat and add our essential oils. We need 10 drops of patchouli, 4 drops of sandalwood Australian, 2 drops Ylang Ylang, and 1 drop rose absolute. Okay, and then we're gonna mix everything together. There we go. And then we're going to carefully pour it and allow it to cool until it's completely set. When it's ready to use, simply dab on your wrist and neck with a small amount. You don't need much. Ylang Ylang is an essential oil that not only boasts beneficial therapeutic properties, but also has an absolutely delightful aroma that is very uplifting and romantic.